Welcome to 3D Web Studio. In this video, we'll be working from simple sketches to complex 3D features. I'll guide you step by step through the entire modeling process. Let's get started with our first part.
First, select the top plane and click on Sketch. Now choose the Circle tool and set the radius to 30 millimeters. Next, select the Line tool. Draw a line through the center of the circle, just like shown in the video. Then choose the Remove tool and remove one side of the circle. Exit the sketch. Click on the Shaft tool. Select the axis line. Set the angle to 180 degrees and click OK. Now select the side plane and start a new sketch. Draw a circle at the head of the hemisphere, set the radius to 25 millimeters, and make sure the height is 30 millimeters. Exit the sketch, select the Pocket tool, enable symmetry, set the length to 1.5 millimeters, and click OK. Again, select the side plane and start a new sketch. Draw another circle with a 25 millimeter radius. Set the height constraint to 30 millimeters. Exit the sketch. Now for the pocket, set the first limit to 31 millimeters and the second limit to -6.6 millimeters. Then click OK. Select the Mirror tool, choose the side plane as the mirror element, and click OK. Next, select this side to sketch. Draw a circle with a 2.5 millimeter radius and set the height constraint to 15 millimeters. Exit the sketch. Choose the Pocket tool and cut the pocket through to the other side. Now, click on the Hole tool. Use the Positioning tool to set the constraints properly, just like in the video. Enter the main diameter as 2.5 millimeters. Set the depth to 2.5 millimeters. And click OK. Finally, use the Mirror tool to mirror the hole to the other side. And that's it. Our model is complete.